What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to actually use Claude to generate leads consistently without relying on guesswork, generic scripts, or spending hours doing manual work. Let's get started. To generate leads using Claude, we're going to start by creating a skill that is going to be responsible for generating the leads for us. So in Claude, I'll click on Customize on the left, then I'll click on the skills right here. Then here, we're going to start by creating a new skill. So here I'll click on Create with Claude. You can see it's telling me let's create a skill together using your skill creator skill. So here it's telling us, first ask me what the skill should do. To do that, I'll just hit enter right here. So here it's telling us, I've read through the skill creator guide and I'm ready to help you build something great. So what should you like this skill to do? A rough idea is totally fine to start with. So here we're going to tell it, we'd like to create a skill that's going to be responsible for generating leads for us. So I like to create a skill responsible for generating leads from a prompt, and then I'm going to hit enter. So here it's asking us a couple of questions that's going to help it design the skill exactly to fit our use case. So what kind of leads should this skill generate? Like B2B companies, so B2C. Then here I'll hit enter. What should the output look like? Can say a downloadable spreadsheet. What information should we include? Can include the name of their company name, contact details, location, industry, pain points. We can say email must be present. Then he'll hit enter. So it's just asking us, how should the leads be generated? Like Claude to perform a web search to find the real leads. So here you can see it's creating our lead generator skill. Let's give it a second for you to complete performing the task. Here you can see it created our skill. We can try testing the skill. For example, we can tell it generate for me 10 accountants from New York. Successfully generated our leads for us, as you can see right here. This is incredible. So we instructed it, they wanted for it to generate 10 accountants from New York, as you can see right here. It went ahead and generated the leads for us. As you can see over here, it generated for us 10 actual accounting leads from New York. You can see we're getting their name, email address, their phone number, their location, industry role, why they're a good fit, and their website or their LinkedIn page over here. This is incredible. This is awesome. So we can go ahead and save these skill. I've gone ahead and saved our lead generator skill right here, and here you can see the skill generated over here. Wanted to output a short bio or a short summary of the lead in case we wanted to generate personalized call outreach emails for each lead right here. So here's our lead generator scale that we can use to scrape leads. You can make changes to the scale by clicking on the three dots right here, and you can edit the scale right here. Or you can choose to edit using Claude, where here you can tell it to include another column. For example, we can tell it to include LinkedIn URL column to add leads, to add the leads LinkedIn URLs if available. And here I'm going to hit send. I'm going to hit enter. It's going to update our scale. So here you can see it successfully changed and updated our scale. So it added a new search strategy for the LinkedIn URLs, strong field guidance, priority noted, added in column, reordered in the sheet. So here we're going to save the scale. Click on upload and replace. Now we've saved our scale, and we can use this scale to scrape our leads. So now to scrape our leads, we'll open a new chart. And then here, I'll hit backslash and click on our scale right here and tell it generate 5 real estate agencies in Miami. You can choose to go as high as you want in terms of the number, but because of time, I want to only choose to generate 5 leads using Claude. So I'll hit enter right here.
I don't know what I'm doing. I can't afford it.
So here you can see it successfully generated our leads for us over here. This is incredible. So here is the full name of the lead, job title, the LinkedIn URL, the company name, the website, the email address, the email confidence, phone number, short bio, and the date we generated them right here. So we can use this short bio to generate personalized cold emails. We can send these leads since we already have their email addresses right here. So now to download these documents, all you have to do is just click on download right here to download it. After downloading it, we can upload the leads to a spreadsheet similar to this one right here. To do that, I'll click on import right here. Then I'll click on upload right here. And here, we're going to replace the spreadsheet and click on import data. Now here you can see the leads that we successfully scraped using Claude right here to a spreadsheet. So we can try even opening the leads LinkedIn page. So you can see these are actual leads that is generated for us over here. Successfully scrape these leads automatically using Claude right here. So you can try scraping a bunch of other leads from a different location using our scale. To do that, I'll go to the new chart, and here we're going to call our scale, which is the lead generator scale, and tell it generate and I'm going to hit enter to find us our leads, add the leads into an Excel sheet that we'll eventually upload right here. Successfully generated our leads, as you can see right here. So we generated 5 gym owners from New York. As you can see over here, got the name of the gym, phone numbers. Then added the leads to an Excel sheet. As you can see over here, where we added their full name, job title, LinkedIn URL, company name, website, email address if they found one, phone number, short bio, and the date we added these leads right here. This is incredible. This is awesome. So now to download these leads, I'll click on download right here to download the leads. And then here you can choose to import the leads. I'll click on import right here, click on upload. Then I'll drag the leads right here. Choose to replace the spreadsheet and click on import data. You can see we successfully uploaded the 5 leads that Claude generated for us over here. So here you can see we found the gym owner. So here are their full names. Here's the title, the LinkedIn URLs, company name, here, their website. We did not find the email addresses, but if it found the email addresses, they will be added right here. So also found some phone numbers of these leads. Then it generated for us a short bio, the date we generated the leads, and added them right here. Let us try one last time to generate leads using Claude automatically. So here, find our scale and tell it find me. Now we can try finding 10 restaurants in New York, and then I'll hit enter. Let's give it a minute or so for it to complete performing the task. Here you can see it successfully found 10 New York restaurants and saved the restaurants into this Excel sheet over here. This is amazing. And it found all these leads for us for free using Claude. You can see over here. This is amazing. So now to download these leads, just to download right here, you can see it successfully downloaded the leads for us. Now to upload these leads to a spreadsheet, open our spreadsheet right here. I'm going to choose to import the leads. I'm going to click on your upload. Then I'm going to import more leads into this spreadsheet. And here you can see the 10 restaurants that it found for us right here. This is incredible. So we instructed it to find for us 10 restaurants in New York, and it successfully did that. So it found the restaurants, added the restaurants into an Excel sheet that we eventually uploaded to a Google spreadsheet right here. This is amazing. This is how you can turn Claude into a system that actually brings in leads instead of just generating content. If you implement this properly, you're not just getting leads, you're building a repeatable engine that compounds over time. If you like help setting something like this up for your business, or if you have any processes that you'd like automated, just use the link in the description to schedule a call with me. On the call, we'll go into more details on how I can help you set up the system for your business or automate manual processes that you're currently doing in your business. But if you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe to the channel and be on the lookout for the next video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.